considered high. But even with that, alpacas, even guinea pigs here. Here we have.
They're vultures. You can tell by the feathers. Look, the fingers.
Whoa. I didn't know that.
What would just be making out here, bro? Same in Europe. When I get back. Crazy. 16th, 17th, 20th, 21st. Crazy. I don't know.
The other characteristic of the penguins is a monogamy species. Because on the collar has a white plume, similar to the earrings. Estación del agua. Recordemos que aquí estamos al 100%.
Whoa.
Oh my god. I hope one roll's enough. I need some OG fire.
Let me drive.
What else are you gonna do? What if you did this for work or something?
It is.